Define oxidizing agent. An oxidizing agent is a substance that causes another species to be oxidized by accepting electrons. In this process, the oxidizing agent itself is reduced, meaning its oxidation number decreases. Identify initial oxidation states. In all the provided reactions, oxygen starts in its elemental form as O2. The oxidation number of any element in its free, uncombined state is 0. Evaluate the role of electronegativity. Oxygen is the second most electronegative element. In most reactions with other elements, oxygen will attract electrons and take on a negative oxidation state, usually -2, which makes it a very common oxidizing agent. Identify the exception. Fluorine, the only element on the periodic table with a higher electronegativity than oxygen, is fluorine. When these two elements react, fluorine will win the electrons. Analyze choice C. Of 2 in the compound oxygen difluoride, of 2, fluorine must take its standard oxidation state of -1. To balance the two fluorine atoms and maintain a neutral molecule, the oxygen atom must have an oxidation number of +2. Determine the electron transfer in C. Because oxygen's oxidation number increases from 0 in O2 to +2 in of 2, it has lost electrons and has been oxidized. Conclusion: since oxygen is oxidized in reaction C, it is acting as a reducing agent in that specific case, while fluorine acts as the oxidizing agent. The correct answer is option C. 2F2 plus O2 gives 2 of 2.